Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm a misfit. Welcome back to this week's edition of the Jungle Book theme collective art fire pit project doing in this time of COVID quarantine. Usually we do a much bigger project, but this year we're focusing in on getting into those details. So last week we showed you a general idea of what we've been up to with getting the animals started now that we're done the base around. And this week we're going to go a little bit more in depth and show you exactly what we're doing with the base layer of rebar metal to the metal mesh and then to the first coat of cement. And then if we have time this week, we're going to let you know about the final coat of cement as well. So stick with us because we got lots of cool stuff to show you.
Right now I'm getting all the measurements that I need for this monkey that I am going to be sculpting. So print out a picture and gather all the measurements so I can reproduce a life-size monkey.
We're making this guy and we're just putting the small mesh to make him more secure and strong. So the small mesh goes on top of the big mesh and it basically just catches the cement and helps it stick to the structure.
We are finishing up our first coat of cement on our Panther Bagheera, and we're doing this cool technique we developed where we make sort of like a flat patty and we'll take slices and apply it, and that way you have a nice big surface area to contact the mesh and you have a better chance of it sticking. For some big sculptures like this, or really big ones like Baloo, we'll actually open up the mesh and go inside and surround the rebar.
We're preparing the fire pit area. The fire's going in the center right here. It's slightly raised, and we have dug a little channel here for drainage. What we're going to have is the big snake of the Jungle Book, Kaa, who will be coiled all the way around with his head raising up and facing the crowd.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our little videos this week, and if you want to learn more about how we are actually doing all of this, you can follow our instructional video series on our YouTube. So till next time.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.